Good morning. Gonna start working on trying to get this truck back on the road. It's a 1996 3/4 ton Chevy with the 350 Vortec, and the engine is blown. Got it for $600 the whole truck, so we got some room to work with. And I believe I found a donor rig, a same year Yukon. I'm gonna go pick up this morning for $400. So I'm gonna bring you along to see that whole event. Story is the transmission's been replaced, but we might have something to fix on that. I see the shift cable is broken right now, so we won't know until we get the motor swapped into it. But I haven't even tried to start this one. It's missing some. You can see somebody's been tinkering with it, and he told me that it's got metal shavings in the oil, so we're just not going to mess with it. Gonna get a newer used engine. So there we go. We got the Yukon home. Here's the donor engine for the Chevy 30 or the 2500. Same engine. It's a 5.7. Supposedly it's been rebuilt. About 30,000 miles is what they said, but you never know. But I do have a video of it running. So what I found with doing swaps, sometimes all these parts are invaluable. So we got 600 into the truck, 400 into the donor rig, and then I'll get this engine out and then scrap the rest. Maybe get a little scrap value, make some of the money back. But yeah, not too shabby. Yeah, stay tuned for the motor swap video. Thank you for watching.